In this video, we're going to be exploring the angle addition postulate. Before we discuss the angle addition postulate, it's important to understand what the term adjacent means. Adjacent simply means next to. So angles are adjacent if they share the same endpoint and their common side is between the two non-common sides. The angle addition postulate says that the sum of adjacent angles equals the measure of the angle formed by the non-common sides. So using this figure, angle ADB and angle BDC, they're adjacent. So if I add the measure of those two angles up, it will equal the bigger angle that's formed, angle ADC. In this example, we want to find the measure of angle BJK. So we should start with an equation. The measure of the two adjacent angles, the sum of those angle measures will equal the measure of the angle that's formed by those two angles, angle IJK. Plug in the values for each one of those angle measures. Subtract 62 from both sides. The measure of angle BJK is 53. In this example, we want to find the measure of angle AKL. So again, the two adjacent angles are JKA and AKL. When I add those two angles up, they will equal the measure of angle JKL. Plug in the measures that are given. To solve for the measure of angle AKL, we need to subtract 103 from both sides. The measure of angle AKL is 70. And again, the two adjacent angles that we have in this figure are angles ABW and angle WBC. When we add the measure of those two angles up, it will equal the measure of angle ABC. Now angle ABC, we're told is 177. Plug that in, plug in the expression for the other two angles. 3 minus 3 is 0. 8x plus 51x is 59x. Divide both sides by 59, and x equals 3. We want to plug that value of x into the expression for ABW. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. In this example, we're told that angles ABC and CBD are adjacent angles. So, using the angle addition postulate, I can add those two angles up. And as we can see, BC is common to both of those sides. So that's the side that both of those angles share. So, angle ABC plus angle CBD will equal the measure of the angle that's formed by those two adjacent angles, angle ABD. Plug in the expressions for each. X and X is 2x. 84 and 26 is 110. Subtract 110 from both sides. And then divide both sides by 2. X equals 6.